Good day to all. This is Dr. G.P.G. Pushpa, Assistant Professor in the Department of Business Administration at Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Now I am going to discuss about the organizational psychology. Then the meaning of the organizational psychology is it is the systematic study of the behavior of the people at work. Then this organizational psychology is also known as industrial psychology, work psychology, occupational psychology. Then next we can see the definition of the organizational psychology. According to Tiffin and McCormick, the industrial psychology is concerned with the study of the human behavior in those aspects of life that are related to production, distribution, and use of goods and services of our civilization. Next, we can see the nature of organizational psychology. In this organizational psychology, there are four natures. The first one is systematic study, second one research, third one applied psychology, then the fourth one is human engineering. Then the first one is systematic study. Then in this organizational psychology, for knowing about the human beings' behavior, we have to study the human behavior's nature in the systematic manner. Then here in this industrial psychology, they are conducting the systematic study of human behavior. It is concerned with collecting information regarding human beings' behavior at work. Then here they will conduct the study for the purpose of knowing what are the different factors are affecting the human behaviors, whether it will be the individual's work or whether they are affecting by the personnel. By conducting this systematic study, they will identify whether the employees are affecting by the work or by the personal reasons. Then the second one is research. Then here for knowing about the human beings' behavior, the organizations are conducting the research. Then in this industrial psychology is not concerned with administration. It is the part of research. The information gathered from work, then it should be implemented. Then the personal administration is the application of such research. Through this research, the administrator or the employer will identify whether the employees are affecting by the personal or work. Then if they affecting by the work, then the employer should arrange the alternative methods for rectifying the what are the problems occur in their work. Then if they identified the employees are affecting by their personnel, then they have to conduct the counseling sessions for their employees. Then the third one is applied psychology. Then in this industrial psychology is that branch of applied psychology that is concerned with efficient management and industrial labor force, and especially with the problems encountered by the workers in a mechanized environment. Then the fourth one is human engineering. Then it studies the various methods of performance in this manual operation. Then for better utilization and least wastage of effort through human engineering. By this human engineering, they have to identify how they are wasting the available resources, then why they are wasting the available time. then regarding that the management should take the actions.